we just bought a new iPhone like this. That's cool. You can fly so fast. I want to show you guys, but can I show like on the video how it works?
Woohoo!
On the video how it works? Can I?
Yeah, you can. Stop.
So yeah, that's
I'm going bigger one.
it. You have a map.
And this
you know?
is the scooter.
Yeah,
So basically, this you can save somebody's life.
look, we're going up. Like, why can I fly?
Look at the iPad where you guys are, and if somebody says on the recorder, then help me, help me. Okay, give back. That's like
Yeah, that's how it works. So I'm gonna give it. Okay, back. That
thank you.
how it looks. It's pretty fine.